Welcome to a short introduction to the MB DataSuite software. In today's world, data is at the heart of every production. It helps us to understand and optimize processes. MB DataSuite software is specifically designed to build a bridge between your machines and the digital world. Imagine being able to seamlessly exchange data between machine controllers and other data sources, such as Excel files, databases, or even cloud services. Imagine being able to easily transfer production data into Excel files for detailed reporting or analysis. Or you might want to feed recipes from a central database directly into your production line to optimize the production process. Energy management is another important aspect. Analyze energy consumption, identify peak loads and optimize your energy consumption. With the intuitive user interface of the MB DataSuite, you can do all these tasks and much more, without programming knowledge. Data security has top priority. MB DataSuite offers the highest security standards to protect your data. And for the tech enthusiasts among you, the integrated REST API makes it possible to retrieve data from external services and devices in real time. Perfect for modern networking applications. From process optimization to energy management to data-integrated manufacturing, DataSuite software is your key to digital transformation. Discover the possibilities with our free 30-day trial and contact us for an individual consultation.